In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 heat pumps available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best heat pumps. The 5th product on our list is the Cooper & Hunter. Seeing how our environment is experiencing extreme temperatures in different seasons as a result of global warming, it's nice to have a system or a bit of equipment that can balance the temperature in our homes and offices, providing heat during the cold winter days and cool air in the summer. The Cooper & Hunter ductless mini-split AC and heat pump uses inverter technology to provide such a function at a low energy cost. It has a 12,000 BTU rating and enough energy to heat up or cool down a 377 square feet room size, making it suitable for use in the living room, bedroom, and all commercial spaces within this size range. Both the indoor and outdoor unit work to control temperature, get rid of bad air, and prevent harmful organisms from entering your space. The latter function is performed by the built-in filter, which you can remove, clean, and replace easily. We like that this equipment comes with a 7-year warranty for the compress and 5-year for the parts. Yet it's worth noting that this is only valid if installed by a licensed HVAC installer. Furthermore, ensure to register it with the manufacturer within 60 days of installation. Apart from this equipment, other content in the package includes a 16-foot copper line set, communication wires, and a drainage extension. Overall, a very complete set. Its pros are: it is energy efficient, it operates quietly, and the removable filter purifies the air in your space. However, it is not ideal for large spaces. The Cooper & Hunter ductless mini-split AC heat pump are suitable for those who want to regulate the temperature in their small or mid-sized apartment. Up next in 4th place is the Pioneer Diamante series. With so many heating and cooling mini-split systems on the market, it's easy to end up with a subpar product. Nonetheless, we've checked out a few brands with reputable quality, and the Pioneer Diamante series is one of the most reliable. Not only is this a powerful mini-split AC and heat pump, but it also operates with less energy than some in its class, saving you cost on electricity bills. We love that it is useful all year round, providing adequate heating in winter and keeping your space cool in summer. Being a mini-split system with 18,000 BTU, it will work efficiently and effectively in your living room, bedroom, office, and other residential and light commercial spaces. And because of the ductless design, you don't need any serious modification to your home before you can install it. Features of this unit include double directional air sweeping louvers that allow air to flow in and out of the system to create an optimal, comfortable temperature level in your space, and washable filters that trap particles in the air. A wireless remote controller with a backlit LCD delivers cooling, heating, dehumidification, and ventilation functions for your comfort and convenience. When not in use, you can store it in the free wall-mountable remote holder that comes with the package. You can even control it with your smartphone using a Wi-Fi receiver, which you need to buy separately. Furthermore, the durable and stylish indoor unit will blend seamlessly into any decor. Its pros are: it is affordable and reliable, it lowers energy costs, and the indoor and outdoor unit operates quietly. However, its cons are: the CR rating could be higher, and you have to buy extension line kits separately. The Pioneer Diamante series ductless mini-split air conditioner is for anyone who needs an effective AC heating unit that is convenient to use. Still haven't found a heat pump that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the MrCool DIY. This unit is the third generation of the MrCool DIY 18K mini split system, which means that it is an upgraded version with enhanced features and functions that can cover a floor area of about 750 square feet. Compared to the other models at 20 SEER, this unit has higher efficiency with a high heating power as high as 122 degrees Fahrenheit and low ambient cooling as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. With the low cooling level, MrCool is suitable for use in server rooms, greenhouses, and other spaces that require all year-round cooling. And even after a power outage, the system will return to the previous settings when power is restored. Other functions on the system include the auto, sleep, and timer, which you can set with the included wireless remote control. A leakage detection function will alert you when your compressor starts to act funny to prevent the need for costly repairs. Unlike the Pioneer Diamante series that comes with only a wireless remote to control the mini split system, this product offers a range of control options, including IR Wi-Fi thermostat, Google Assistant, Amazon's Alexa, or the HVAC app on your smartphone. We know that most mini split systems come with air filters, and this unit is not any different. However, the unique thing about this product is that it will notify you to clean the filters after using them for 10 days and replace them after 125 days. As the name implies, you do not need a professional or special tool to install this mini split system. It comes with an installation kit that contains everything you need and will take only a few hours because it uses pre-charged quick connect lines. Its pros are: it is corrosion resistant. You can operate it with remote control, an app, or voice control. And it has an alarm that will alert you if and when a part is becoming faulty. However, you may need an extra person to help with the DIY installation because of the weight. The MrCool DIY 18K mini split system is ideal for anyone who needs an AC or heat pump to deliver high-efficiency air comfort anywhere they use it. The second product on our list is the Daikin. We love a brand that considers its audience's long-term comfort while creating a product to improve quality of life. Not only does this product offer you air comfort in all seasons, but it also saves you costs on electricity bills while doing so, and even gives you the convenience of controlling the system from a distance. Whether you use it in a single room, living space, or commercial area, it will blend into the decor seamlessly and still provide continuous cooling and heating functions without a problem. Although there are different mode settings which you can control with the included remote controller, we particularly liked the turbo mode setting that allows you to either warm up or cool down your space fast. In addition, we won't fail to mention that the heating and cooling functions wouldn't be as effective as it is without the wide-angle louvers and the auto swing design. And despite how powerful the system is, the indoor unit operates as low as 37 decibels, while the outdoor unit operates at 51 decibels. Yet you can reduce the indoor unit noise level by 2 to 3 decibels by activating the quiet operation function. Its pros are: the parts have a 10-year limited warranty, it operates quietly, and it's pretty good value for money. However, its cons are: the installation isn't easy for DIYers, and the outside unit cannot be placed directly on a flat surface because of the extended drain elbow sticks. The Daikin ductless mini split AC heat pump system is for anyone looking for a heating or cooling system that can cover a large floor area. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top heat pump is the Senville LETO series. If you want to cool or heat your home all year round, then this ductless mini split system is worth considering. The Senville LETO series mini split system offers heating, cooling, dehumidification, turbofan, and other turbo functions, all accessible with the included remote controller. The turbo function evenly distributes the temperature in your space, making sure your room is as comfortable as possible. Its high-quality design and functions are ideal for a surface area of 1,500 square feet or less, providing effective results every time you put it to use. It features removable filters that trap dust particles in the air that flows through it, ensuring that the air in your space is comfortable and clean. After using it for some time, you can remove the filters, wash them, and replace them. As easy as ABC. Not only is this system energy efficient, we consider it a whisper quiet unit because it operates with a noise level as low as 32 decibels. Even better, the package comes with the necessary items for installation. However, this is not a DIY system because you will need a professional to install it. We think this product will give you the most effective heating and cooling for your home or workplace. Its pros are: it is very affordable. The inverter compressor delivers outstanding efficiency and indoor climate control. And it comes with a 5-year warranty. However, it requires professional installation. The Senville LETO series mini-split system is suitable for anyone looking to buy a powerful and efficient heating or cooling system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.